n is equals to 2 with n times n minus 1 Cn x raised to n minus 2 is equals to 0. As we can see, to factor out the summation and the term xn, we have to make the n on the other side equal to 0 to make the two terms equal. So to do that, we're going to subtract 2 in here and then add 2 on the upper terms with all of the n. Then we can have equation like this: 0 with n plus 2 n plus 1 Cn plus 2 x raised to n. So as we can see, the terms of x raised to n, both sides are now equal. So we can factor it out and have this equation: Cn minus n plus 2 n plus 1 Cn plus 2 is equals to 0. And then we're going to create the equation using these terms to create our recursion relation. So n plus 2 n plus 1 going to use Cn plus 2 is equals to Cn over n plus 2 n plus 1. Then we're going to use this equation in our recursion relation. Then at first, going to set the value of n equal to 0 because of our summation starts with n is equals to 0. So n is equals to C2